In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a PandaDoc agreement after a GHL payment. By the end, you'll have an automated workflow where a successful payment in your GoHighLevel account triggers Zapier to send a PandaDoc agreement instantly, so clients get the right document without any manual work. Let's start by setting up the trigger in Zapier. Create a new Zap and choose your GoHighLevel app as the trigger. Select the payment-related event that represents a successful charge in your setup. Connect the correct GoHighLevel account and location, then confirm the trigger settings so it only fires on completed payments, not failed or pending ones. If you sell multiple products or use multiple pipelines, refine the options so the Zap applies to the exact scenario you want. This keeps your agreements precise and prevents accidental sends. Next, test the trigger. Use a recent, successful payment as your sample data. Zapier will pull in fields like the buyer's name, email, product, amount, and payment date. Open the sample and double-check you have the key details you plan to use in your agreement. If a field you need is missing, make sure it's captured in your GoHighLevel records, or plan to use a fallback value. This quick review saves time when you map your PandaDoc variables. Now add your PandaDoc action. Choose the Send Document action and connect your PandaDoc account. Pick the agreement template you already use for paid clients. Assign recipients and roles so the client is correctly set as a signer, and give your document a clear name that includes a dynamic detail like the product or date. Map each PandaDoc variable to the Zapier data you pulled from GoHighLevel, client name, email, company, amount, and any other fields your template requires. If a variable is required in PandaDoc, make sure it has a value here to avoid errors. Add a short friendly message to the email body so clients know what the agreement is for and what to do next. If you're still testing, sending as a draft first is a safe option. Finally, turn on your Zap. Run a live test by processing a small legitimate payment to confirm the document is created and sent. Watch your Zap history for a clean run, then check PandaDoc to verify the agreement status is sent or viewed. If something looks off, review the mapped fields and trigger conditions, make the tweak, and test again. Once it's working, you've got a reliable, hands-off flow from payment to signed agreement.